8.4 Graphs of Logarithmic Functions. In this section, we'll have a look at the graph log. That means y equal to log x with a base a. And here you can see that we separate as two different kinds of log function. One is for a greater than 1. Okay, the other kinds, okay, maybe I use another color. This one for a in between 0 to 1. Okay, seems like an exponential function, right? So this one, that means with a base 2. Okay, base 2. And this one, base 3 and base 5. And you'll see that the graph become like this. Okay, how about the other one? Okay, for this one, a in between 0 to 1, this one is base 1 over 2, base 1 over 3, and base 1 over 5. Okay, so what are so special for the log function? Let's have a look at table here. In the same time, if you like, you can also turn to your textbook, page 31. Page 31. Okay. And you can see that, number one, the graph of the log function locates on the right-hand side of the y-axis, and it does not cut the y-axis. That means here and here will not cut the y-axis. Actually, maybe we can say that does not touch also. Okay. Number two, this one need to pay attention. The x-intercept equals to 1. Whatever which log function, this one equals to 1 x-intercept. That means it must pass through 1, 0. The graph must pass through 1, 0. Okay. And maybe you can have a look. For log function, this one log x base 2. That means when x equals to 2, and you see that this one equals to 1, right? For the log x base 3, when x equals to 3, sorry, too long. When x equals to 3, then it's equals to 1, right? What do you think about this one? Log x base 5. Yeah, when x equals to 5, then it equals to 1, right? That means the graph must passes through a 1. Okay, a 1. Then how about this kind, this 3? And you'll see that, okay, let's clean up those blue lines. Have a look. When x equals to, when x equals to 1 over 2, 1 over 2, that means here, right? The black one. And you will see that, okay, you have the same answer, right? Equals to 1. How about x equals to 1 over 5? That means 0.2, right? I use the blue one. 0.2. Oh, you see that also equals to 1. So besides 1, 0, it must pass through. And a1 also passes through. Okay, goes on. Here, let's have a look. For a in between 0 to 1, the graph almost touches the positive y-axis initially. Almost touches, okay? 差唔多掂到，咁實際上唔係掂到嘅。The positive y-axis initially, and its slope downwards from the left to the right become less steeper. Okay, less steeper. 越嚟越冇咁斜啦。So that means from here, before the slope like this, right? More steeper, and later less steeper. Okay, 越嚟越冇咁斜啦。And here also less steeper. 你見到紅色嗰個位置係越嚟越冇咁斜，本來非常斜，跟住慢慢平啲冇咁斜。Less steeper means this, okay? Okay. 呢個係唔好意思啊，呢個係 a 大過1嘅時候 ，OK？ So this one, if a in between 0 to 1, here's the same situation, become lot steeper, okay? 亦都越嚟越平嘅。So you see that this word, they're the same, okay? And this time, the graph almost touches the negative y-axis initially, and slope upwards from the left to the right, okay? Point 4, the graphs of y equals to log x base a and y equal to log x base 1 over a are symmetrical about x-axis. Symmetrical about the x-axis. 沿住 x 軸係有一個對稱嘅性質 ，OK？ That means if this one as the x-axis like a mirror, then you can that means this one flip it and you get this one. Seems difficult to see, right? So it's better for you to use another apps to help you understand clearly. I use this one, okay? Do you remember this app? This one. You can on this apps to have a look and let's have a look the log function like this. Okay, let's see. 呢度咧其實有兩個嘅 log function， 呢個係 log x， 紅色嗰個係 log x base 2。你見到個 a 我而家 set 做2嘅呢度。好，我 set 做2。另外一個 function 係 log x base b。b 而家係 0.5， 即係1/2。咁你就見到咧所謂嘅對稱性質就係咁啦。你發覺呢兩個一個就係 log 2啦，一個 log 1 over 2啦，嗰個 base， 大家都係 log x，log x，log x base 2 base 1 over 2。Okay? So they are symmetrical. Okay, I choose another one. Maybe 5. 我用 A 係5啊。咁1/5即係0點幾啊？0.2。Okay. And you will see that here 佢咪沿住 x 軸反射，你會見到佢係對稱啊。係啦，你沿住 x 軸反射 symmetrical about x axis 就係咁解啦。OK，so 睇翻有一個情況就係頭先咧唔講一嘅，你有冇留意啊？咁我諗我用呢個你會好容易睇到啦。一咧係睇唔到嘅，冇呢個 log function 嘅。由1.1開始你就見到啦。好，我俾你睇下，如果個 base 越大，情況會點？個 base 細翻又會點？你發覺啦，個 base 越大啦，嗰個嘅變化咧，停一停先，越嚟越扁嘅，越嚟越平嘅。越接近1嘅話咧，就似一條咩線啊？係啦，好似差唔多係 x 等於1嘅情況，不過真係唔會發生嘅。好啦，你話啊呢紮好短咧，好難睇喎。由0到1之間，好，我用咗另外一個圖，就係表達一下0到1之間個變化係點，睇一睇咯。所以喺0到1之間咧，其實佢嗰圖咧就已經好似頭先上面嗰幅圖咁樣啦。OK， 得唔得？簡單嚟講 ，x 越大嘅時候就越嚟越冇咁斜啦。你會見到越嚟越冇咁斜嘅。而如果越接近1，就越似一條線。嗱，望下咯喎，如果我開埋呢個，越嚟越接近1嘅時候啊，條線咧就差唔多好似一條圓垂線咁樣樣。OK， 得唔得？set 翻做2同埋1/2，就係咁樣樣啦。咁大家可以用呢一個嘅 Apps 去幫自己明白多啲。OK，Do you understand more about this? Okay, so try to remember this one. Okay, x-intercept is equals to 1, and the graph might passes through A1, this point. Okay, 呢個係關於 log 之間嘅，稍後會講一下 log 同 exponential 嘅關係。